Good afternoon and welcome to the Q&A session 25 from the playlist of electrostatic potential and capacitance. The topic is the measurement of electric field inside a non-conducting solid sphere which is kept inside water. So based on this topic, I have one question for this session which is written here on this board. So the question is, a non-conducting solid sphere of radius capital R is kept in a water tank. It carries a charge Q, capital Q, which is spread uniformly in its volume. So we have to find the magnitude of electric field at a distance r by 2 from its center if the relative permittivity of water is 81. So in the session number 23, we have derived the equation for the electric field, the magnitude of the electric field, which was equal to Q multiplied by small r divided by 4 pi epsilon naught into capital R cube. Here r is the radius of the solid sphere and small r is the distance of any point inside the solid sphere from its center. So this formula was valid, or it is valid when the medium is free space. But if the medium is changing, that is in this case the medium is water. So in that case this formula will be equal to QR divided by 4 pi. Now here this epsilon naught will be replaced by the permittivity of the medium, which is denoted by epsilon. Now epsilon is equal to epsilon naught into epsilon r. So the formula in this case will be equal to Q into small r divided by 4 pi epsilon capital R cube, where r will be equal to r by 2 in this case. So the magnitude of electric field the magnitude of the electric field at a distance r by 2 from the center of the sphere will be equal to, here small r will be equal to r by 2 multiplied by 4 pi. Now epsilon is equal to epsilon naught into epsilon r. So now the value of the relative permittivity of water is 81. So this will be equal to epsilon naught into 81 into r cube. So from here the intensity of the magnetic field at a distance r by 2 from the center of the sphere will be equal to, this r and will get cancelled out. So finally I will be getting 4 into 2, 8 into 81 into pi into epsilon naught r square. So the intensity of the electrical field, this can be at a distance r by 2 from the center of the solid sphere. This will be equal to Q divided by, this will be equal to 648 pi epsilon naught r square. So the most important thing here to remember is that in the case when the medium is other than air or free space, then this epsilon naught will be replaced by the permittivity of that medium. So thank you very much for joining this session. Now in the next session I will be continuing with the same topic, that is the measurement of electric field inside a non-conducting sphere. So in the next session the question will be entirely different from what we have done today. So till then, have a nice day. Bye.